ಗೆಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸೋದು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇಟ್, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ನ ಹತ್ತೋದು ಕೂಡ. ರೈಟ್, ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹತ್ತಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಗೆಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಐವ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ಡ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓ ದಟ್ಸ್ ನೈಸ್, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀನು ಅದನ್ನು. He seems to be getting on well in his new job. That's great to hear. I'm glad he's fitting in. I'm having a bit of trouble with my team at work. Any suggestions? It's important that you get on with your colleagues. Get on with somebody andre ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀಯ, having a friendly relationship. Let's get on with the meeting. Andre let's continue with the meeting. Yes, let's begin. We have a lot to cover today. That's enough hanging around. We need to get on. You're right. Let's not waste any more time. Are you coming? Where are you right now? I just got on the bus. Andre ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಬಸ್ ಹತ್ತಿದೆ. We need to get on the next bus or we'll be late for the movie. Let's hurry then. The next one arrives in 5 minutes. Did he wait there? No. He got on his bike and rode off. I missed the bus and I'm running late. I got on my bike quickly. I'm going that way too. I'm not sure how to get on this treadmill. Let me help you. Make sure to start at a slow pace. Right?